I'm going to make a video about female leopard geckos and male. So first I'm going to grab her. She's a bit kind of grumpy, so I'll try my best. So you can tell if there's a little slit above their tail a little more. And then that's a slit, just a slit, nothing else. That's a girl. And then tell this one, if it's a boy, let me grab my boy. Yeah. He does not like getting flipped over, so it's going to be harder with him. Come here. See if there's like 2 little bumps and then a slit. And that's a boy. So that's my boy leopard gecko. And then that's my female leopard gecko. And they together, there they are. And then this one is pregnant, and that one's just not. There. See? And then I have this hide and a bunch of more stuff down there. I'm gonna get a bigger cage because this is a bit small. And that's about it. Bye-bye.